Welcome to our quarterly breakdown of Welspun Living Limited's performance for Q4 FY25. India's leading home textile exporter delivered revenue of Rs 648 crore this quarter, up 1.2% YoY and 4.8% QoQ. However, EBITDA fell 20.5% YoY to Rs 318 crore, with PAT at Rs 132 crore, down 9.7%. Let's unpack the details. Full-year FY25 revenue crossed the Rs 10,000 crore milestone, a significant 8.9% YoY growth. EBITDA margin stood at 13.6%, down 186 basis points. EPS for FY25 came in at Rs 670, lower by 5.1%. Home textiles remained the growth engine. Rs 834 crore in revenue for FY25, up 8.5%. Flooring, however, saw a 4.1% revenue decline due to Red Sea disruptions and tariff uncertainties. Margins compressed across both segments due to rising input costs and cautious global demand. CEO Deepali Goenka described operating in a Barney world: brittle, anxious, non-linear, and incomprehensible. Tariff risks and logistics hurdles posed challenges, but optimism stemmed from India-UK FTA and brand resilience. Welspun's global brands grew 38% YoY, and domestic outreach now spans 500 districts. Margins declined due to volatile cotton prices, higher logistics costs, and reduced offtake. Home textiles margin fell 356 bps YoY to 11.5%, while flooring remained flat at 8.3%. Forex gains partially cushioned the impact. Net debt rose YoY to Rs 603 crore, primarily due to Rs 701 crore in Capex. However, QoQ improvement came from better working capital. Net worth stands at Rs 821 crore, with healthy asset growth to Rs 307 crore. Post results, the stock dipped 6.6% on May 30th, but later recovered 2.6% by June 4th. Valuation remains reasonable with a PE of 19.5x and EV/EBITDA at 9.3x, slightly below the 5-year average. Welspun crossed a major revenue milestone but faces margin pressure. Export momentum, e-commerce traction, and brand-led domestic expansion are key growth drivers. Management withheld short-term guidance due to trade volatility but remains confident in long-term strategy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more earnings deep dives. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.